Hello, in front of me I've got REDTIGER F17 PLUS. In this video I'll show you how to change language of your camera. To change your camera language, let's go to menu. Scroll until you see language and go to its menu by pressing OK button. You can select language between English, Español, French, Italian, German, Russian, Turkish and Asian language. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.